Homegirl, let me tell you something. At 40 and beyond, you don't need to shrink, fade, or play it safe. You're not invisible. Your untapped power in pearls and lipstick. They are just going to have to deal with it. Your image is your first investment. It's how the world reads your confidence before you even speak. It's not about being perfect. It's about being intentional. That hair, that smile, that walk, it's not just for looks. It's part of your brand. And your brand, that's what makes people pay attention and pay you your worth. When you elevate your image, you raise your value. You signal leadership, trust, and readiness. People treat you different when you treat you different. So fix your crown, refresh your look, and walk in like you own the next chapter, because you do. And the money, it moves toward a woman who knows who she is, a woman who loves who she is.